What's your New Year's resolution? Oh, I don't really have one. Like, there's nothing to fix.
You could start by brushing your hair.
And you can start by brushing your teeth.
My New Year's resolution is to be more loyal. Like when you stay loyal to your boyfriend even though he cheated on you.
My New Year's resolution is to be more honest. Honest about the fact that your foundation never matches your neck.
My New Year's resolution is to be more grateful. Grateful that I have 2 parents and I don't have to go to therapy.
My New Year's resolution is to be more considerate. Like how the police considers you a criminal after you shoplifted at Walmart.
My New Year's resolution is to be more confident. Confident like you when you walk out the house with all those split ends and still think you're pretty.